and welcome back to my channel. So before we move on to the video, I'm just gonna give a clearance. Can I say it's a clearance? I'm just gonna give an introduction that I'm starting an episode where I bake. So I'm gonna name this as So You Think You Can Bake? So my audience today is Alois, my 10 months baby. You guys might hear a little bit of her sound. Yeah, that's her now. Because you know, as a mom, sometimes you just gotta do what you gotta do. She's clapping. I recently received a recipe book from my family members in France, and one of the books is this, Le Meilleur Pâtissier by Julia. So everything is in French and I know a little bit of French. My husband helped me a little bit of the translation. Of course, there's also Google Translate. So I'm gonna list the recipe down below. I'm giving you guys the English version of this recipe. And this is the first recipe that I'm gonna make. It's a baklava cheesecake. So the difficulty level is very easy according to the recipe, and let's see if it's that easy to achieve. So in the book there are 32 recipes with 3 bonus recipes. I'm gonna make each of the recipe from the book according to the sequence of the recipe book. First thing first, I'm gonna put on my SQ apron. Okay, so apron is on, hair is up, and now for real, let's start with the video. We're done with the baklava cheesecake. I would say the recipe is easy as what it stated on the book. I left it in the fridge for about half an hour, supposedly about an hour. But it's best to be eaten on the following day. But I'm just gonna try today and I'll try the next day again. See how it is, then I'll tell you guys. And then now, what else we need to do is to try it. So good, it's crispy, it's light, and the peach compote makes it less heavy, and it tasted fresh as well. I recommend this to everyone to make this so we can enjoy this together. Okay, so today is the following day of baking the cheesecake, the baklava cheesecake, and as I mentioned in the book, they said that it tastes better after the following day. So let's try it. It's still crispy. So good, but I don't taste much difference. It tastes both the same tasty. Both the same are yummy, but I prefer the day when I just baked it, which is the fresh ones. Thank you so much for watching, everyone. The next episode will be brownie fondant, so I hope you guys will be there with me again. And don't forget to click the subscribe button. I don't know where, maybe here. The subscribe button, and I'll see you guys again next time. Bye bye. Hair is up. Shh. Hey, what do you want?